Hey everyone, welcome back to How to with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically save passwords in Google Chrome. This is useful if you want Chrome to remember your login details so you don't have to type your password every time you sign into a website. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Passwords and Autofill. Then select Google Password Manager. Once Google Password Manager opens, click Settings. Here, look for the option called Offer to save passwords and passkeys. Make sure this option is turned on. Now, whenever you sign into a website with a username and password, Chrome should offer to save those login details. You can also turn on Sign In automatically. With this enabled, Chrome can automatically sign you into supported websites using your saved passwords or passkeys. If you don't want Chrome to automatically sign you in, you can leave this option turned off and still keep password saving enabled. Once you've enabled the settings you want, you can close the page. The next time you log into a website, Chrome should ask whether you want to save the password. And that's how to automatically save passwords in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How to with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.